If you hate losing your data but keep falling for scams, here's what you need to know. Fast. First up, there's a new phishing kit on the block, and it's called V3B. Priced at $130 to $450 a month on Telegram, it's targeting customers of 54 European banks. This kit's got some serious tricks, like obfuscation, OTP support, and real-time chat. Bottom line, it can swipe your banking credentials and OTPs faster than a hot knife through butter. So beef up your phishing detection and educate your folks about V3B. And hey, use that VPN. Next, Medibank's in hot water. The Australian Information Commissioner is suing them for a 2022 data breach. That breach exposed the sensitive data of 9.7 million Aussies on the dark web. They're staring down a fine of up to $21 trillion. So, take note, security, compliance, and a solid incident response plan are non-negotiable. Lastly, the U.S. Justice Department is hustling to recover $5 million lost in a BC scam. This one hit a trade union, and the money's been traced to China, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Nigeria. Stay sharp, double-check email addresses for financial transactions, and report anything fishy pronto. Stay safe out there, tech warriors.